Now, drawing triangles with the shapes object is a bit more complicated than drawing circles, ovals, rectangles, and squares. Because the shapes dot add triangle command requires you to write 6 numbers. This is the syntax: x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, all separated by commas. X1 is a number which decides the x value or the horizontal axis of the first head of the triangle or the first point. Remember, a triangle has 3 points, and for each point, you need to give 2 numbers. The horizontal axis, how much to the right or left should it be, that point, and how high or how low on the graphics window should that point be. Now, for beginners, it's very difficult to decide what to write uh, in the brackets unless you have something already drawn in front of you. So to help you with that, we've already done this practice worksheet in the class, and during the test also you'll get a grid which will make your life easier. So let's try this. This is head number 1. X1, or the x value for head number 1, is 100. Y for head number 1 is 50. So x1 is 100, y1 is 50. In the same way, this is head number 2. X2 is 100 again. Y2 is 300. This is head number 3. X3 is 250 and Y3 is 300. So with that information, we can write, remember, X1 is 100, that comes first, then 50, that's Y1. Next, you have to write X2, which is again 100. Y2 is 300. Let me check again. Y2 is 300. X3 is 250 and Y3 is 300. X3 is 250 and Y3 is 300. And if I run this, it won't always draw the triangle exactly as it's shown on the grid, but at least it will be similar. Also, you can give names to your triangles, for example, T1 or any other name, and you can move them just like any other shape that is drawn with the shapes object. So T1, move it to the right by 200 and down by 300. If I run this, also you can color your triangle. If you write the graphics window dot brush color line before you add the triangle, let's color it yellow. If I run this again, there you go.